Hey, it's Dwight with Mesa Garage Doors. The summer sun is finally back, and nothing will look better in this good weather more than the added curb appeal of a brand new garage door from Mesa. A new garage door is that one home improvement that'll give you maximum impact on the look and value of your home. It's fast, easy, and super affordable. In fact, right now, we'll give you $500 off any new garage door. That's right, it's our biggest discount ever. Whether you want low maintenance steel or one of our beautiful, completely custom wood garage doors, we'll give you $500 off any door. Plus, Mesa now has incredible easy financing options for almost any situation, with new garage doors for as little as $11 a month. But what if you just need a repair? Mesa has service trucks all over the Southland stocked with parts so we can get to you fast with most repairs the same day. Just take advantage of our $99 garage door tune-up special, but these offers are for a limited time only. Don't wait, call now.